Need a void check from CIBC? Here's a quick guide to get it online or through the mobile app. First of all, let's use CIBC online banking. Sign on to your account. Select the desired account like checking or savings. Click on Manage My Account and choose Void Check Direct Deposit Info. A preview of your void check will appear. Click Open PDF to view or print it. Alternatively, use the CIBC mobile banking app. Sign on to the app, select the account you need, tap Account Info, then View Check. A preview of a preview of your void check will appear. Tap Open PDF to view or print it. And that's it. You have successfully obtained your CIBC void check. For more details, visit CIBC's website.